And welcome back to another paper airplane tutorial. Now I uploaded the traditional dart tutorial about 30 minutes ago, and it was so successful that I wanted to make another video, a paper airplane tutorial. So I came up with this. Now I don't exactly know what to call this, but it's a paper airplane, and let me just fold it back up really quick. Oops. And it's this one. Sorry that took me so long, but yeah, it flies pretty good. And again, I would put together some video footage, but I don't have the money, so hit the like button and subscribe. And I will be showing you how to make this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to fold your piece of paper in half. Then you want to go again where there's a mountain right there. Sorry. There should be a mountain right there. Then fold it fold it so that it's a quarter of the way down like that. Then you're going to want to fold just about an inch to an inch and a half of the top back. Then you're going to fold right at the edges of this fourth right here. You're going to want to fold that. Then you're going to want to tuck some paper under there so that it's like that. Do the same with the other side. Then fold this flap right here on top of it. Then you're going to want to fold it like this, so it should look something like this. Then you want to fold the wings like that. And that wraps it up for this tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, even like it if you didn't like it. So that will help me to get better quality videos. Thank you for watching.